Jabil is an electronics manufacturing services provider. We had $16 billion worth of revenue last year. And we are building product in the electronics manufacturing area in aerospace, defence, medical, networking, mobility, consumer products. As Director of Finance Transformation, we are responsible for making finance more efficient and more effective. And we do that through looking at improving our education, our organisation in terms of where we focus within finance, our processes and the systems that support those processes. We've had incredible growth over the last 10 to 15 years, and we effectively are the flexibility in our customer supply chain. And for us to be able to continue to delight the customer and to be a success, we need to be able to make smarter decisions real time. We wanted to deploy an integrated systems platform, so the solutions that we are using are Cognos Controller for our US GAAP statutory reporting, TM1 for our management accounting, forecasting and budgeting, and Cognos 10 for our business analytics. With Controller and TM1, we've reduced by 50% our time to close during the month end, and we've also reduced by 50% the level of manual activity involved in our close process. At the same time, I think one of the major benefits will really be in the ability to make smarter decisions quicker. And to give you an example of that, our CFO was relating a story of a debate around inventory and revenue patterns. The debate ceased as soon as he put the analytics up on our presentation, and the group then turned towards looking at solutions. Now I think we'll be able to spend an awful lot more of our time actually adding insight and supporting the business in decisions. And we see that we will be able to apply this to all areas of our organisation in terms of how we manage our inventory, how we optimise our capacity, our pricing, and how we can deliver a better level of support to our customer. Our ability to adapt to changing circumstances is absolutely critical, and analytics gives us the information at the time that we need it to be able to take those decisions and be able to react to situations. You also mentioned, cost pressure is significant in our organisation, and having the level of visibility into our costs in the different business units and the different sites is really helping us optimise how we our capacity footprint and how we best support our customer, give them the most cost-effective solution. I'll give you an example. If you look at a particular plant's quarterly production plan, and you can correlate that against, say, our overtime and how we're incurring overtime, that can quickly provide insight into whether we can better load our production throughout the period of the quarter and maximise our efficiency in our actual production activity. So this insight is really impacting our organisation globally. Whether you are an operations manager in our facility in Brazil, or you're managing supply chain in Vietnam, or you might be a business unit manager trying to meet a customer need in our operation in Poland. BAO is very important to us. I think it's really easy with the tools like Cognos 10. You're kind of like a kid in a candy shop, and unless you really have that longer term vision in terms of what you want to achieve and how you're going to achieve it, I think you can very quickly get off track. And they were really helpful in helping us establish a roadmap, helping us in our project management of the overall project, but also they're able to take their knowledge of the systems and the tool set and combine that with our own business vision, and that's very, very important. That's a critical part of a successful project. I think one of the things that really excites me about this whole project is actually that I believe it will be a game changer for finance. I think we will be able to provide so much more value to our organisation with this new platform, with these tool sets, and with us developing the skills and the techniques to be able to really effectively support our business.